Assalamualaikum dear patriots. Hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. Today date is 8th December 2020. The day is Tuesday. Our today's word of the day is ambient. Part of speech is adjective. Pronunciation is ambient, meaning existing or present on all sides. Sentence: the ambient music in the store made people feel good about shopping. Students, you can understand this word through these different types of pictures. And you can see that the ambient stars, the ambient block, the ambient lights. And now this video will help you a lot.
Encompassing on all sides, surrounding, encircling, enveloping. Ambient. Encompassing on all sides, surrounding, encircling, enveloping. Evoking or creating an atmosphere, atmospheric. Relating to, or suitable for, storage at room temperature. Ambient synonyms: ambient music, chill out. Ambient. Ambient.
Hope the word is understood now. Thank you so much.